Welcome viewers to Startup News. I'm your host Abhishek. Top headlines for today are: stem cell treatment for COVID-19 developed by University of Hyderabad startup. First consignment of 1.5 lakh doses of Sputnik V has reached India. Google Play halts auto renewal of app subscriptions. News for today are: University of Hyderabad incubated biotech startup Transcell Oncologies have developed a stem cell based technology that can be an alternative treatment for the COVID-19 affected patients. The technology is currently under trial by a chain of hospitals and yet to receive approval from ICMR. 1.5 lakh doses of Russia COVID-19 vaccine Sputnik V has reached Hyderabad as the first consignment. According to Dr. Reddy Laboratories, the next consignments will arrive in the next few weeks. Google Play has discontinued the auto-renewal services of app subscriptions, along with free trials and introductory pricing plan due to the Reserve Bank of India notification for the auto-renewal payments. Google has asked the developers to suspend the facilities that come under recurring payments. Bangalore-based neobank startup Avail Finance has raised 24 crore rupees debt funding from Altiria Capital. Avail Finance offers various facilities to customers, including offerings in savings, credit and insurance. Age tech startup Sarathi Healthcare has raised 1 crore rupees in seed funding round from a group of investors from Bharat. The list of participants include entrepreneurs and investors: Nitin Sethi, Swapnil Bagal, Gaurav Satbai, Vishal Dikhale and Jayshree Harak. Sarathi helps bring medical services to the doorstep 24/7. Windsor has raised $13 million funding from existing investors Stephen Pagluka Makers Fund and Coachside Venture. Cartrade, an auto classified platform, is going to file its draft red hearing prospectus this month with Securities and Exchange Board of India. The initial public offering will have primary and secondary shares sale. In order to help small and medium businesses amid the COVID-19 pandemic, Amazon India has announced a number of measures. The measures include waiving 50% of the referral fee, reimbursement of storage fee and long-term storage fees. Spocto is helping around 4 lakh farmers in India to repay their loans digitally every month and reduce the delay in recovery for banks. The Mumbai-based analytics firm is counted under the top 5 private banks in India. Massachusetts Institute of Technology researchers have developed a powerful nanoscale flashlight on a chip, which will be capable of detecting various viruses and other tiny objects with the help of cell phones. That's all for today. We have over 400 startups and MSME shows on our TV channel. Do check out. My Startup TV is now available on Google Play Store, so you can get all the latest news on startups and MSMEs on the move. You can also support us by subscribing to our TV channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. You can also follow us on Koo, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or visit our website www.mystartuptv.in. Thanks for watching.